I'll be telling you about this shopping application which I have used. Hi people, so this is the app icon. As soon as you click, it opens. If there's any particular offer on that specific day, then you get a pop-up like this. This order will be redeemed and added in your cart. Then you have a specific valid time as you have seen in the video. This is my cart. I have already added 5 products. When you have an offer like this, the free product will automatically get added in the cart, as you can see. So in that free product, you can actually have an option to select any product which is of free. Here I can see lot of products which are free, but you can't choose all at the same time. You can choose any one as a free trial, including the order which you have selected. So I have chose this leather bag, green one, and like you have 2 sections, trials and shop. Shop is the place where you have to order with the amount that you want to spend on the actual product, and trials is the place where you can actually try some products which are for sample. So you can get various branded items as a Mama Earth, Plum, Beyond fragrances, and you can also choose makeup products here which are free of trial, body sprays, deodorants, and everything which you can select. And this one is the deodorant which has a range of 3 trial points. And like as I have said, once you log in with the referral code which I'll be mentioning in the description, you will get automatically 6 trial points in your how many ever products you want, but that should range within 6 trials. So this is golden milk turmeric latte, which is healthy, and you can try this on your cheat days. So here's the products which are there. You will get various kinds of products for every use, like face lotions, body lotions, and hand sanitizers and everything. And everything has its own trial points, and according to that you can choose wisely, like what product you want in your cart and what product you want to order. And all the products that you order to 6 trial points will only charge you of 199 rupees. Here's hair mask and conditioner, the face cream trials, where you'll get many options where you can choose your type, and makeup trials which you can choose based on your tone and everything, and hair oils, face toners, sheet masks, anything which you like. And it has its own trial points. And also you get these garments. This is nothing but the various kinds of food available, some shower gels, coffee trials, and many more. You get soaps also here, like nutrition and healthcare, tea trials. You can choose whatever brands you want. Here there'll be many options for you. And this is menstrual care for female, sanitizer trials, and baby care soaps also are available. So all these products are the products which you will get for free. And the only concept behind this app is that it will provide you, like it will actually give you an opportunity to try the products, and then once if that product is good on your skin, or good that you liked it, so you can order that with more ml in the shop which is beside the trial once you open the application. These products I have chose with. Here I'll be bringing to you one more notice, is that you can't add more products to your cart once it's completely full with 6 trial points. That will show you a warning sign. So once you proceed with the payment, you'll get these 2 options. You can choose anything wisely, and then where it comes to the payment, if you go for online transaction, it's free. And if you opt to choose cash on delivery, then 50 rupees will be extra charge. Now that I received the products, I'll be unboxing it. here are the products that I have placed. I have placed 2 plum creams which are beneficial for me. I actually wanted to try this on my skin if that really works well for me or not. So this one is Illuminate Brighten Up Face Scrub from Plum, which is a good one. I can rate this 3 out of 5, and this is a Escape body spray for females, and this is a deodorant which I got for 3 trial points, and this is a 150 ml. These are my products. Apparently my friend also have placed an order from this app which I didn't know before, but later on once she sent me her orders which she has placed from that app, I've got to know, and here I'll be also putting up her unboxing video also.